Here's some advice from your garage door professors about openers and why they fail. Regular maintenance is crucial for the optimal performance of your garage door opener. By routinely inspecting for wear and tear, such as frayed cables or loose bolts, you can address issues before they escalate. Cleaning and lubricating moving parts ensures smooth operation and reduced strain on the system. Testing safety features, especially the auto reverse mechanism, is essential for ensuring safe use. Frequent use and environmental factors like extreme weather can lead to the deterioration of various components, making regular upkeep even more important. Ignoring maintenance can result in a range of problems, from erratic operation to complete failure, which can be inconvenient and costly. Upgrading to a newer model when your current opener shows signs of frequent breakdowns or outdated technology can enhance safety and efficiency. Modern garage door openers come equipped with advanced features that improve reliability and functionality. Taking proactive steps, such as scheduling annual professional checkups, can help identify potential problems early and ensure that your opener continues to operate smoothly. Diligence about upkeep can extend the lifespan of your opener and prevent unexpected issues. A well-maintained garage door opener not only provides convenience, but also ensures the safety and security of your home. By investing time in regular maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can keep your garage door opener in top condition for years to come. While homeowners can manage basic tasks, more complex repairs should be left to professionals who have the expertise to conduct thorough inspections and handle intricate issues safely. If you're unsure about how to properly maintain your garage door opener, call us. We'll do a thorough inspection and maintenance service to ensure your door operates smoothly and safely.
The garage door professors at Affordable Garage Door Repair and Replacement are here to answer your questions and to offer you options to meet your needs and desires. We're always here for you. Just call us. There is no cost or obligation. Call us today.